Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lorette, and we back again with another video. You can tell by the title, we are gonna be trying some new makeup. So before y'all get in this video, make sure y'all push that like button. So before we get in this video, I'm gonna show y'all like my face. This is my face, and we're gonna test it out and see if it's like full coverage. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it is the matte one. I did try on the hydrating one, but it wasn't for me. I just didn't like it. I like matte foundation more than like hydrating foundations, if you know what I mean, even though I'm a dry skin girl. This is the color Warm Sand, but it was another color that was lighter than this color. I think I picked up the wrong kind, but oh well, y'all. Let's get started on this tutorial, y'all. So I already prepped and primed my face. All the products will be listed down in the description box down below. First thing that I do is take my Wet n Wild translucent powder, and I just take my little brush and I just do this to my eyebrows. If you know, you know. But I hate when it's like glittery and I can't do my fucking eyebrows. Tell me, girl, y'all know. I take my little spoolie and I just brush my eyebrows up like that. The next step that I do is I take my LA Girl eyeliner pencil in the color brown. Sometimes they be like super fucking dark. So I'm just taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the color Tan Sand, and I'm just gonna outline my brows. Love carving out my eyebrows with, like, you know, concealer. Whoever made this up, I love y'all. But this camo concealer, y'all gotta work fast on this. You know, it dries down really fast. So this is what they looking like after I blended in concealer. Now it's on to the foundation. This what it look like. Look like it's too dark for me. I might have to go back and get another color. Take my little sponge, my big sponge, and you know, put it on there. I don't know why I look in the mirror and then I look in the camera. I just do that shit. I hate getting foundation on my fucking lips. I just hate it. Get on your ears too, y'all, because we don't want like your ears looking all different. Don't want to put like much over here under my eyes because that's where the concealer is gonna go. And I don't like it caking up and stuff. So this is what it's currently looking like. I can still like see my spots like in the mirror. So I don't know if this shit is like full coverage or not because it sure doesn't say anything like that. I'm gonna use my NYX concealer, and this is in the color Beige. This gives like a caramel yellow tone. Then I'm going in with my translucent powder. I be using Juvia's Place sometimes, and this is the Kalahari one. It's too orange. Sometimes I use it and sometimes I don't. Going in with my Wet n Wild contouring palette, contour, and this is in the color Caramel Toffee. And I'm going to use this color to like brighten my under eyes. So I'm going in with my Revolution Super Matte Powder. And this is in the color Dark Tan. This is what we looking like. Okay, she cute. So I'm gonna concealer on my eyelids. I'm going to, you know, blend it out. I love this fluffy brush. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. So for my eyebrows, I'm going in with my Milani Gilded Mini Palette. These are the colors. don't know. Sometimes I like putting my eyeshadows on with my finger. I just feel like it give it a nice warm touch. So the next step that I do is go in with my Juvia's Place, and this is the Blush Head Rouge Volume 4. I don't know how you say it, but this is what it looked like. And I'm just going to take my brush. So this is how it's currently looking. I went ahead and did my eyeliner and my eyelashes off camera, and I put on my highlighter and my gloss. And these are the products that I use. I use the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Eyeliner. And then I use the Full and Soft Mascara by Maybelline. I use my Hard Candy Glosstopia lip gloss, and these are the new lip gloss. They have like glitter in them. Sneaky Link Proof. And then I use the Revelation Super Highlight Highlighter. We are all finished with this look. Get into the look. Get into it, baby. So y'all, we are all finished with this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video.